Hello everyone, I'm Rutaisire and I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Moodle. First, I want to add a new discussion topic on our Moodle platform for the time being on MOOC 12, and our task is to add videos on Moodle on Moodle platform. And first, I have to locate the icon for Moodle Media here, and it will be like this one. But now, if I click on this one, I will go and I have to find the video. If it is hosted on the YouTube, for example here, I will go and locate the video on YouTube. For example, I have to see on my channel. I have, for example, this one. Let me choose the simplest one, how to update my profile on Moodle platform, and it will be this one. So as we have learned, I will be to embed I will share this one in order to get the link. I will copy, and after copying this one, I'll go back and I have to paste the link here. I will search. I have to search my video, and I have to select this file, and I have to insert that one. So this is the video I have here. Inserting this video on Moodle, and I have to post to the forum. Thank you very much for watching.